friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another car chat video. Okay, first let's talk about my necklace. Okay, you can't see it, it's kind of zoomed in there, right? So look at this. Is this not so pretty? My sister-in-law found these on Etsy, and you guys know that my father-in-law recently passed away. And before he passed away, we took an impression of his thumbprint. And so this is his thumbprint, and this is his handwriting from like a birthday card or whatever. And anyway, we ordered these for all of the girls, and then the guys he was in the military, and so all of the guys got ones that look like a dog tag, and they also have his thumbprint and his writing. And so like all of us kids have ones that say dad, and all of the like grandkids, a lot of our grandkids, after he got out of the military, he raised cattle for milk cows, a dairy farmer for years and years and years, and so they called him Cowpaw. And so we ended up, so those, sorry, there was like somebody walking in front of me. I'm distracted, right? They were like looking at me like, what are you talking to your phone for? Anywho, right? So there's the, hey, like Cowpaw. It's super cute. I love it. So anyway, had to talk about that first. Okay, so moving on, welcome to October. Oh my gosh, it still feels like summer here though, guys. Like it's 86 today. There are, in the 10-day forecast, some 60-degree days. So like, well, in the 60s, like upper 60s, but we're counting it. I'm so ready for fall. I'm so ready for fall weather. For the leaves to change, and chili and stews and things like that. Not that you can't make those any time of year, but I just love them in the fall. So yes, so that is, and I had this like crazy idea, like really insane. I thought, I've been wanting to decorate more for Halloween, and I have all these like craft ideas and all of these Halloween things that I want to do. Maybe I should do a video every single day in October. That's insane. Like I struggle to get a couple videos up a week, and now I'm like, you know what? Let's do one every day. Every day. But oh my gosh, guys, I think it'll motivate me to get some of these projects and these craft things done that I've been wanting to get done, because there's so many of them, and I really want to do them. So that's what we're going to try to do. We're going to try to do a video every day. Now, honestly, it probably won't be every day. There's probably, I'm hoping for 5 or 6 videos, to be honest, a week. But we're going to try. We're going to shoot for every day. And, if we miss a day here and there, I know you guys understand, because, real life happens, right? But I think we're going to get a lot of Halloween fun things done this year. My mom loved Halloween, like really loved it. And I think it was because it was a time that we all got together. So as you get older and your families have families of their own, like sometimes you don't get together as much for like Thanksgiving or Christmas. Like her siblings were all busy with their own families, of course, because they got to the point where they had kids and grandkids, an extended family. So they just didn't get to, and after my grandparents died, they just didn't get together like they used to when they were younger. So my mom started throwing a Halloween party, because my mom lived in town and a lot of her siblings lived out of town. So they were often coming to town anyway, just to hang out on Halloween night, to give out candy to trick-or-treaters, or to take their kids and their grandkids and everything trick-or-treating. So my mom several years ago had this great idea that she was just going to throw this like Halloween party. So basically, she cleaned out her garage, opened it up. They would decorate. They had like the big, pumpkin inflatables and different things. And my mom always dressed up as a witch. Always dressed up as a witch with the green face paint, like, the Wizard of Oz. So fun. And we had like a potluck. Like my dad would smoke a ham, and all of my aunts and uncles would bring like a side dish and different things. And we would just eat, and we would have like a little, not like bonfire, but like one of those like fire pit fires. You could have those in town. downtown. And so we had one of those, and we would sit around, and she would have several hundred trick-or-treaters. And and the funniest thing is, like, some of them that were like are from neighbors around the block, like the trick-or-treaters would come up and they would get their candy, and they just come on in the garage and make them a plate, and they have dinner. And it was so fun, and my mom loved it. She just loved it. And so while I love Christmas, like Christmas is like I have gotten to where I enjoy more of the Halloween things. I don't know, I think it's just fun to celebrate every holiday, to be honest, like, So yeah, my mom would throw this big thing, and now after she passed away, my dad had it a couple times, but we live a couple hours away now, so it's hard for us to get back in time, so we just aren't able to do it. We should put it together on a different night or whatever. But anyway, I've just felt like I've been missing out the last few years, like really not celebrating Halloween, and so I think that we're just going to embrace it, and we're going to celebrate, and we're going to just have so much fun with it. Halloween is kind of special for us too. I mean, and I know that's kind of a creepy holiday for both of these things I'm going to mention, but years ago, 20 years ago, it will be 20 years ago this Halloween, my husband first told me he loved me. We were going to this like party, Halloween like party thing, and I had a massive headache, like migraine out of this world, but I had taken some medication, and I really wanted to go anyway. We had only been dating a few months, a couple months I guess at this point, and I like laid my head on his shoulder, just trying to like just get a moment, and he told me he loved me, and it's like so sweet, and so and genuine, and so anyway, so it's kind of special for that. Also, again, ironically, years later when we started going to church and everything, we were baptized on Halloween, of all times. Like, it just happened to fall on Halloween, but we were baptized on Halloween. So yeah, there's just a lot of things to celebrate, there's a lot of things to celebrate every day in life, guys. There really is. And I think that when you lose someone you really love in your life, I lost my mom several years ago, and then we recently lost my husband's dad, which has been, my dad too for 20 years. It just makes you think about making memories and celebrating each day, and just really living your best life. And so anyway, that's what we're going to do in October. We're going to have a whole lot of fun in October. We're going to do all kinds of things. So stick around, join us, tell me how you guys like to celebrate. Maybe you don't celebrate in the traditional way, or maybe you're a Hispanic family that celebrates more like the Day of the Dead kind of thing. Tell me that kind of thing. Or maybe you're very Christian in the fact that you don't celebrate at all, and that's okay. Or maybe your church has a fall party. It's okay. Again, everyone's welcome here, and I would love to hear how you guys celebrate, how you celebrate all over this great nation and all over this wonderful world that we live in. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for spending time with me, and thanks again for spending time with me this October, because we're going to have a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see you in some upcoming videos. So make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification so they let you know when I upload, which will be hopefully every day. Anyway, guys, thanks. Bye.